Okay, a simple future tense is used to express the assumption in the future. Understand? Assumption may be hope. In this condition, we have to use simple future tense. Alright, let's. Simple future tense. Simple future tense is used to express the assumption in the future. Simple future tense is used to express the assumption in the future. Number one, I think, comma, I will pass the examination. I think I will participate in picnic. I think, comma, I will participate in picnic the following day. The tomorrow. Okay, I will pass the exam next year. Understand? Maybe he will win the race. He will win the race. Understand? Maybe you will win the race. Alright. Maybe they will participate the coming project. Maybe they will participate the coming project next year. Maybe you will win the race in next month. Understand? So simple future tense is used to express the assumption or hope in the near future. You see, I think I will pass this time. I am unable to pass the exam. I think I will pass the examination next week. I think assumption. I think and maybe these are the not this is supposition. You see, assumption or supposition. Understand? Assumption or supposition. In this condition, we have to use simple future tense. I will participate in will plus PP, will plus B1. Understand? I think subject plus think plus subject plus will plus B1 plus object. Understand? This is the structure like this. And another subject plus maybe, so no, maybe, maybe plus maybe plus subject plus will plus B1 plus object. These two conditions. Understand? Alright. In this condition we have to use simple future tense. So simple future tense, I think I will pass. This is the condition. I think I will maybe. Understand? This indicates the assumption or supposition or uncertainty. I mean hopeful condition. We have to use simple future tense. Alright. Simple future tense is used to express the assumption in near future. In the future means in near future. Understand? These are the example of simple future verb. Are you do you get it? Okay. Let's this you have to remember subject plus thing plus subject plus will plus B1 plus subject, may be plus subject plus will plus B1 plus subject. This is the structure of this assumption conditional simple future tense. Alright.